The scoping canvas provides us with a high-level view of the key players, milestones, and phases in the service journey. It allows us to map out roles, dependencies, and touchpoints to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Key components of the scoping canvas. 1. Service recipient, who they are. The primary recipient of this service is the end user or the new staff member. Additionally, the asset custodian plays a role in managing the physical equipment. Why this matters? Our primary goal is to ensure that the end user receives their devices and accessories in a fully operational state, ready for use on their first day. This ensures a smooth start and drives productivity from day one. 2. Service provider, who they are. The service providers include several teams working together. Division IT representatives, who initiate requests. USS asset managers, who oversee provisioning. IT admins and desktop engineers, who configure and deploy the devices. HR and finance representatives, who support onboarding and approvals. Why this matters? Each of these roles must align to minimize delays, ensure compliance, and maintain a consistent onboarding experience. Journey start and endpoints. 3. Start point, where it begins. The journey begins when the division IT representative requests an EUCD for the new hire. This triggers the following initial steps: assignment of the device hostname, tagging the asset with a label for tracking and accountability. Goal: to establish a standardized starting process that ensures each request is accurately recorded and tracked. 4. Endpoint, where it ends. The journey concludes when the end user accepts the device and all accessories. The user signs the acceptance and user policy forms. The EUCS team signs the deployment form and updates the CMDB. System for accurate inventory tracking. Goal: to ensure that each deployment is documented, policies are adhered to, and the organization's asset database remains up to date. Key stages in the deployment process. The deployment journey is broken into 4 distinct stages to ensure clarity and efficiency. 1. Stage 1. Process request. Goal: capture accurate details for device requirements and initiate workflows in a timely manner. 2. Stage 2. Provision of EUCD. Goal: ensure the devices are sourced, configured, and labeled to match the user's needs and role-specific requirements. 3. Stage 3. Deployment to user. Goal: hand over fully operational devices to the new staff member, accompanied by user training or onboarding guides as needed. 4. Stage 4. CMDB update. Goal: update the organization's asset management database with complete deployment details to maintain accurate inventory records. Related journeys. In addition to this primary deployment process, we've identified related service journeys that interact with or depend on this framework. Return of EUCD process. Ensuring assets are returned, tracked, and reset when staff leave the organization. E-asset verification process. Periodic verification of devices to ensure compliance with inventory policies. Why this matters to us? This scoping canvas is not just an operational framework, it's a strategic tool that helps us achieve key objectives. 1. Operational efficiency. By clearly defining roles and stages, we reduce delays and ensure accountability. 2. Employee experience. A seamless device deployment. Process improves first-day readiness, supporting employee engagement and productivity. 3. Data accuracy and compliance. Through CMDB updates and signed policies, we ensure that our inventory is up to date. 4. Scalability. This standardized approach ensures that the process can scale as the organization grows, maintaining consistency across departments.